And oh my god, can you see that? Hey guys, we are back. This time, something different. This is not BL related, so not my usual content. But we're gonna do a quick unboxing and hands-on of a Lazada Boodle I found out from the Facebook group Home Buddies. If you haven't joined that Facebook group, I do suggest you go to Facebook and join Home Buddies. It's for mga tito-titas who are fond of taking care of their homes. Yung description. Sort of, parang ganon. So, if you like taking care of your homes, gusto nyo ng mga design ideas, gusto nyo ng mga boodle finds ng mga home appliances and gadgets, join Home Buddies. It's like 1 million strong membership. So, go ahead and click on YouTube and join that group. So, this is a product that I found on Home Buddies. It's the Deerma CM800. It's a dust mite vacuum for mga beds, sofas, basta yung may kutsyon. So, let's see. This is the box. And I appreciate na naka-label siya as fragile. Itong spray bottle pala na to, I love kasi super fine nung mist niya. It's also something I found from Lazada. Pro Lazada tip, if you have a lot of deliveries delivered to your home, yung mga ganito, don't just throw it out. Make sure na i-shade nyo yung, or tanggalin nyo yung personal information niya. This is the box. So, it's the Deerma Dust Mite Vacuum Cleaner. So, tama. It's the model CM800. Ito yung nasa gilid ng box. I would suppose it's made from China because Deerma is a Chinese brand. They are also like a partner brand of Xiaomi. They're not the same as Xiaomi. Pero if I'm not mistaken kasi ang system ni Xiaomi, meron siyang mga parang partner brands na they invest in. So they don't like hindi siya same as Xiaomi. So I think it's incorrect to say that Deerma is the same as Xiaomi. Parang siya, hindi siya subsidiary, parang investment nila, parang ganon. I think ganon din yung sa mga watches, yung sa mga parang ibang home stuff ni Xiaomi, ganon din. So, this is the box. Meron siyang parang may serial number talaga, stickers sa taas and all. Okay, so, when you open the box, it's gonna look. So, meron siyang manual. Ito, CM800 or CM810. But I think this one is the CM800. So, the manual is in Chinese. So, walang English. So, that's that. Merong maliit na brush. I don't know what this one's for. Siguro let's figure it out later. Oh gosh. It's actually really big. Guys! Okay, so it's out of the box. So this is the unit itself. Baba ko muna siya na nothing else inside the box. Just 2 pieces of like huge styrofoam. Let's look at the unit. Take it out of the plastic bag. Looks legit. I'm gonna try and look online if there's a way to verify yung authenticity niya. I think some of the products ng Xiaomi ganun. Parang you get to verify it using the serial number, but let's see. I'm not sure how this works. Because wala akong makitang unboxing niyo online. That's why I'm filming an unboxing now. So, this is it. For scale, this is the normal sized iPad. Ganyan siya. for scale. So, meron siyang warnings that I do not understand. So, take note. I'm not sure if this is just specifically for this seller na nabilhan ko, kung bakit medyo ganito siya, but I don't know. Kung bakit wala siyang kahit anong English instructions. I'm gonna first test this with an old pillow. Lagi po akong pinapagalitan nito that my pillows are really old. So, tignan natin if it works with the pillow first, and then I'm gonna try our bed. Ooh! Okay. So, kailangan nakababa siyang gano'n. Parang, you can feel na medyo malakas siya. Malakas yung suction niya. Meron siyang sound na generate na hindi ko maintindihan. So, I can definitely see may mga hair kasi ako dun sa pillow na nakukuha niya. At saka kumakapit talaga siya dun sa mismong pillow. Not just sure which part, but feeling ko this one, yung kumakapit talaga siya dun sa pillow. Pero feeling ko ito din. Hindi. Yun yung UV. Okay. Pero I think the UV only turns on kapag to. So, ito siya. Is the dirt supposed to be here? Parang I can see stuff nga. Yeah, it's here. Pero hindi siya ganun kadami though. Siyempre, isang pasada pa lang naman. So, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna test it out sa bed and balikan ko kayo. So, we're back. I tried cleaning half of the bed. Yung size pala ng bed namin ay parang full double. Iba-iba kasi yung term. Minsan, it's not queen. It's like directly below queen. Pero yung ginagamit namin sheets are queen. So, medyo queen. So, visibly, may mga makikita ka ng dust talaga. So, let's open up the cartridge. Kung nasaan yung... Oh gosh, meron naman naman. Madumi na siya sa loob. So, yun yung nakuha yung dumi dun sa half. Ay, yun pala. Andun sa may andun sa may cap. So, yun pala yung use nung maliit na brush. I used it to clean the inside of the cartridge or whatever you call this one. So, after cleaning yung half nung bed, I'm surprised na kasi when I cleaned it, I made sure there's no like visible dirt on top of it. So, syempre hindi ka na makapag-plant ng dumi doon sa kama. Syempre, hindi mo gusto may dumi yung kama, but I'm not sure if it's really cleaning deep down, pero definitely it got it from somewhere. Hindi siya surface dirt kasi wala naman siyang visible dirt. So, yung maliliit talaga nakuha. So, I'm really impressed. I'm gonna clean the whole mattress. Hey guys, so just to give you a quick update, nililinis ko na ng seryoso talaga yung kama. And I'm halfway dun sa kama, sa bandang ulunan. And oh my god, can you see that? Yan. Siguro yung mga buhok-buhok ko lang talaga yung visible bago ko linisin. Pero the fact na yung mga ganyan na hindi ko nakikita, oh my god! Oh, by the way, these filters are available on Lazada as well. So if you want to buy them, they're also there. I'm just not sure how much, but I don't think they're that expensive. Pero oh my god, can you see that? Can you see that? It's filthy. Ew. So that's what the brush is for. You need it to clean yung mga spaces na yan. So kung sinara nyo yan, the air passes through here. So, di ba yan yung sa baba nung mismong unit. Ito yung basically suction, yung buong yan. Tapos dyan papasok. And then, yung motor nandito sa loob pulls the air from, tapos naiiwan yung dumi doon sa inside of the cartridge. Okay, so now I know how it works. So, ew, grabe. So, that's the update. Update, I was able to get most of the stuff out of the filter. Yan yun. So again, this is just for half of the mattress. Only dun sa upper part, yung saan yung ulunan and katawan, most of the body. Yan. Oh my gosh. Yan. Oh my gosh. So final update, nalinis ko na yung other half ng mattress, yung lower half. And yan, lahat ng dumi. Can you see? I don't think there are like living organisms here, but it's just ew. Diba? Oh my god. So, that's that. I do suggest you buy this product. Sobrang amazing. Bye guys! And I am going to recommend this to all of my subscribers and my friends and family. So, supposedly it will help you sleep better, especially if you have allergies. Yung katulad ko mga allergic rhinitis, it's gonna help a lot. So, this is one of the cheapest ones available. Meron yung mga mas mahal, especially the locally branded ones, like I think merong Emarflex, may Dowel. So yun, definitely yun, may mga warranties locally. Ito mga to, medyo mahirap kumuha ng warranty locally kasi syempre it's the Chinese brand. But maraming good reviews nito and I'm also giving this a good review. Hindi ko lang alam ang longevity nito, to be honest, but hopefully it lasts long kasi usually yung mga Deerma naman medyo maganda ang reviews niya. The brand itself and yung mga ibang products niya, like yung mga vacuum cleaners, which planning to buy soon. So if you want that content, just comment down below. So am I going to do more BL content soon? Yes, definitely this May I'll be posting more BL content. But I'm also going to post a lot more different content, mga home content, because over the next few months I'll be transitioning to a new place. So watch out for that. So maraming salamat. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification icon so you get updated whenever I post new comment here. Whenever I post new content here on YouTube. Para sa mga nag-subscribe na sa channel ko, thank you so much for subscribing. Para sa mga hindi pa, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye!